So today we will see how we can create the grid line effect in Canva. Okay, so for that, first of all, you have to go to this upload section and you have to upload your photo, whatever you want. Alright, so here I have already imported this photo, so just drag this and drop it over here. Alright, then go to this element section and here you have to search for grid. Okay, GRID. Alright, then click on this graphics tab, then scroll down and in the below part you can see this option, right? So just click over here and take it into this canvas area, then click here and change the color to white, then drag it and increase the width of this particular shape. Okay, then click here and rotate this particular shape. Okay, and keep it like this. Got it? Then increase the size here. Alright, and it's done. Now here you can see the grid line effect has been added on this particular page. Okay, now I want to remove all this area apart from this grid line. Okay, so for that, again click on this element tab, then click on this particular shape, then change the color to white, then click here and rotate this shape, then drag it over here and remove the unwanted area with this white color. Okay, likewise again click here and add this shape, then change the color to white and then drag it and rotate it, then put it in the proper place and increase the size. Alright, and keep it like this, and it's done. So in this way we can easily add the grid line effect in our page by the help of this Canva application. Alright, so thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.